Ariana and
Aaron.
What are we doing today, guys?
Oh my God! Jumping parachute.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
Hers.
Oh yeah. Her fault if this goes wrong then, huh?
21st birthday.
Yeah.
Hey.
If we don't make it to 22, any last words?
Rock and roll, man.
Yeah.
Let's go have some fun, guys. High five.
Yeah.
High five. High five. Here we go.
Yup.
Oh yeah. Woo woo. Here it is. You ready to get in? Get up, get out. Go rock skydive. Have some fun.
Yes, sir.
Let's go do this.
Yeah, buddy. Happy birthday.
Oh yeah. Woo! Here we go. Here we go. Think of that?
Awesome.
You did great.
That was amazing.
Pull the right one all the way down. Look at the camera and smile. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo! And up for that. You don't have to gesture those. Pull the left one down if you want to turn again. Okay. Smile. Yeah! Yeah! Nice! Good job. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Look at that view. There's like welcome back. All right, birthday girl, we made it back. What'd you think of that?
That was the best experience of my life. That was amazing.
You did great. Are you going to do that again someday?
Definitely.
Come back and ask me. I'll let you open the parachute. Just got to find the golf ball.
Okay.
What was your favorite part?
Falling out of the plane.
You did amazing.
That
It was
was so
nice to
fun.
flip with you. Skydive
you.
Colorado Springs. Happy birthday. This
Thank
could be
you.
you. Woo!